Welcome to Pro Tools Expert, my name's Dan Cooper, and welcome to this new video series that explores Waves OneKnob plugins. We're going to start with this, OneKnob Brighter. Waves describes this as a treble booster that adds brightness from the mid to high range and up. Very simple plugin to use. I have this one dial in the middle, higher the value, the higher the top end, and values in between, it's going to be more upper mids to top ends. So let's try this on a few tracks in this mix and on the master as well, just to hear what it can do. The track I'm using was recorded mainly with a ribbon microphone, so quite a lot of the tracks sound quite dark. So I'm going to use OneKnob Brighter to put a bit of air into some of these tracks. Let's have a quick blast of the song.
Junkie, praise junkie. I am a praise junkie. Well, they made me this way.
Okay, drums sound like they need a bit of air. The main acoustic guitar, definitely. Lead vocal, and those electric guitars as well. So let's put OneKnob Brighter to work, and let's start with those drums. Just dial it in. And here, just brings the presence out in it a little bit, but not so much the top ends where that ride cymbal is. So back around again, we'll keep increasing this, and you'll hear the top end come out. Top end of the snare, starting to get a little bit too brittle. Right, let's wind it down now. Find a sweet spot. That sounds nice, around about 5. Let's see what we can do with the main acoustic guitar. Back it off. Two other acoustic guitars, going to leave them be, they sound quite nice. Let's go for the 2 electric guitars. Let's start with the electric guitar in the left. That adds a nice amount of bite, and I'm just going to copy that across to the other electric guitar because it's a similar performance, just in the opposite channel. Let's just do an A-B of those instances of OneKnob before and after. Okay, let's put the cherry on the cake, that being the lead vocal.
Junkie, praise junkie.
Push it.
I am a praise junkie.
Way too much.
Well, they made
Back round.
junkie. Praise junkie. I am a praise junkie.
That's nice, that's nice. Just brings out the vocal a little bit more in the mix. Now, let's try it on the master as well, just to see what it can do.
Junkie, praise junkie.
Okay, I fear I'm over-egging the pudding here.
Praise junkie.
Certainly doesn't need it here.
Well, they made me.
But that said, if I didn't use these instances here, if I turn these off, so we've got the mix sort of unprocessed, let's just try OneKnob on the master.
Junkie, praise junkie. this way.
Excellent. Really powerful little plugin this. Couldn't get any simpler, and it sounds brilliant. Anyway, hope you guys got something from this. I look forward to seeing you in the next video in this series. For more information on OneKnob Brighter by Waves, do check out the Waves website. I'm Dan from Pro Tools Expert, and I'll see you again soon.